In high school, did you try out for a play?
Yes.
What was the name of the play?
Annie, get your gun.
Did you actually try to sing during your audition?
I tried to.
And what did you sing?
Sang With a Little Bit of Luck from My Fair Lady.
With a little bit of luck, with a little bit of luck, someone else will do the blinking work.
What did they say? What kind of advice did they give you?
You need a lot more luck.
No, really dreadful. And I'm saying that to be kind because you will never, ever, ever have a career in singing.
You didn't get a singing part.
No.
Did you still get involved in the play?
Yeah, they came up with a compromise and I became a part of the stage crew.
And were you responsible for a disaster called the bird in the ballroom scene?
I was.
What happened?
Well, we were asked to come up with a way to design a string and a pulley to go over the stage. And when you pull the string, it would release a lever and the bird would fall to the stage.
This is your 9 o'clock alarm call!
Now that's what I call a dead parrot. No, he's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up.
But before the show, the head came off the bird and we were asked to glue the head back onto the bird.
What are you... Petey didn't even have a head.
Harry, I took care of it.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
So when Annie was supposed to shoot the bird was supposed to fall onto the stage, nothing happened, no bird. The next scene was called the Ballroom scene, and all the ballroom dancers were dancing and the bird fell on the two main characters, causing the famous bird in the ballroom scene.